In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a divider in SurveyMonkey step by step so you can separate sections of your survey and make it much easier for respondents to follow. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference when you want to organize longer surveys, keep questions grouped properly, and improve the overall flow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the survey you want to edit. If you haven't created one yet, you can start a new survey and then apply the divider where you need it. The goal here is to place a clear break between questions or sections so your survey is easier to navigate. Now, go to the point in your survey where you want the divider to appear. This is usually right after a question or at the end of a section. Look for the plus icon because that's where SurveyMonkey lets you insert new content into your survey. Click on the plus button to open the available options. From the menu, click on text. This is one of the easiest ways to create a visual divider between sections, especially if you want to label the next part of your survey. After selecting text, type in a simple section name like Section 1 or Section 2, depending on how you want to organize your survey. You can also use this space to add a short label that helps guide respondents through the survey. Once you've entered the text, save it. At this point, you'll have a divider-style break that clearly separates one part of the survey from the next. If you want to make an even stronger separation, you can also use the plus icon again and look for the page break option. Click on page break and SurveyMonkey will move the next question or section onto a new page, which works like a divider and gives your survey a cleaner structure. This is especially useful if your survey has multiple topics, because it helps keep the content organized and prevents everything from looking crowded on one page. It also makes the survey feel more professional and easier to complete on both desktop and mobile. So, to quickly recap, go to your survey, find the spot where you want the divider, click the plus icon on, choose text to add a labeled section break, or choose page break if you want a full separation between pages. That's the basic process for adding a divider in SurveyMonkey. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.